Tonight, we're going to do a birthday celebration of our classmate Bonito Singson. First, our contemporaries, that's Mr. Agustin, that's Rafi Di Malanta, Boy Sibug, and of course, who is the other one? Enteng Francisco. And we're riding a very nice golf cart here, which is being rented out, but of course, we don't have to pay for it. Compliments of Hotel Felicidad under Bonito. This is the area of Vigan where you can actually walk. You can see the city hall. There's a lot of things to see, the parks, and there's also malls. Like this is actually a mall. And let's start to listen with the Jollibee.
Our performers, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is extra special. Hindi lang dahil sa Christmas lighting, but also because we get to celebrate someone dear to the heart of this city. This moment is for our beloved Honorable Jose Bonito Singson Jr. Let's make this loud, joyful, and full of love. Music ready.
Surprise! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Alright, once again, happy birthday to our CEO and President, Honorable Jose Bonito Singson Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing night! Thank you for feeling Plaza Vesco Vigan with joy, laughter, and Christmas spirit. Tonight, we prove that life brings people together, from families to friends, kids to elders, locals to visitors. Lahat tayo, one big Vigan family celebrating as one. As we head home, life, your homes, and your days ahead. Thank you for being part of this magical Christmas lighting ceremony. May your hearts stay bright, may your homes overflow with joy, and may the spirit of Christmas guide us all. Once again, I am Sean. Merry Christmas and have a blessed evening.
So this time we decided to have a visit in the car museum, enjoying all the collection of our classmate Bonito Singson, who loves collecting very nice cars, including vintage cars, as you can see on your video. And there's also a lifter because so he can accommodate more vehicles in this very big property that he has in Vigan. And not only cars, he also collects toys. And this Vespa, I think one of the best motorcycles that's manufactured in Italy. As you can see, so much motorcycles, including big bikes. Oh, that was a big bike on the right. And also my friend or classmate, friend and classmate Bonito Singson also loves to assemble Lego, which are actually displayed at the back. As you can see, so much fun that he's enjoying with his Lego. And I'm sure with his new 3 kids who are still very young will surely enjoy having fun with their father, Bonito, together with the mother, Mia, who I just met. Such a very young face and very pretty woman, or I would say lady. So we're still going around enjoying the collection of sports cars. Now, let's interview some classmates. We'll start with Dr. Jess Marine. Doc, kunin mo na isa. Pare, kunin mo na isa. Yeah. Oh, wow.
1, 2, 3. Wait, bisa pa.
Bonito, ano yung favorite car mo dito?
Lahat.
Oo nga. Yan ang favorite car mo?
Tapos yun.
Wow. Hindi, isang tanong na lang. Ano yung pinakamahal sa kotse dito? Pinakamahal? Lahat mahal? Hindi, yung pinakamahal. Most expensive.
The Ferrari siguro. Ferrari.
Ito pinakamahal. Oh, wow. Ang ganda naman ng forma nito. Oh, it's a Ferrari. Oh my. What? Did I hear it right? 45 million car? Oh, wow. Ganda naman. Pulang-pula. Si Ferrari. Low profile. Galing. Uy. Katabi niya, Ferrari din. Wow. Attorney. Anong gusto mong kotse riyan? Anong type mo?
I don't think I can get out of this car.
This is what you like. Huh? This car you like. Okay. Pero yun daw ang pinakamahal eh. 45 million that car. According to Bonito. Yun daw. Anyway, parang dami naman kotse nito. Naku, nalilito na. Mga contemporaries ko. Ha? Sobrang dami ng kotse. Wow. Milo, favorite car mo dyan? The Ferrari din?
No, the Ford GT, I think.
Ford GT? Balikan ko. Ford GT, ha? Alright, Ford GT.
Where is that Ford GT? Paborito daw ni Milo. Ford GT. Let's see. Ah! Ito ba yung Ford GT? This is the Ford? Ford GT. Oo nga, oh, Ford GT. It says, oh. Ang galing. Oh, wow. The Ford GT. Mukhang ano to, ah. Mukhang antigo na kotse na to, no? Ah, it looks like an antique car. Wow, imagine that, ah. Kung meron kang date, ano? Naka Ford GT ka. Tama nga naman si Milo. Ito, anong kotse to? This is a Mercedes. Oy, 280. It's a 280 SL. And this one here, is it a Cadillac? Well, not really so sure. So much cars. There's even a car on top. Wow. Ayun na. Mga aking classmates. Enteng. Boy Sibog. Pare. Enteng, which car will you choose? Which car? Which car? The yellow one. Anong kotse to, pare? Yun na hindi mo alam. Pero ito, sa taas maganda rin, no? Mukhang anong kotse kaya yung nasa taas niya, no? Parang yan ang ginamit sa Sound of Music, ah. Wow. I wish I had all of these cars. Hindi yung nagbablog lang. Imagine, ah. This is just a showroom. Gus, what can you say? Are you amazed?
I am speechless.
You are speechless. Si Bonito pala, mahilig din sa Lego.
Yeah.
Ah, ayun ang mga Lego niya, oh. Dami niyang collection. Mahilig na sa Lego, mahilig sa kotse, mahilig din sa motorsiklo.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. Ang galing talaga, no? Ayan, no? Anong kotse yan? Anong kotse yan? It's a Porsche. Wow. Is that your favorite car?
Hindi, papadala ko lang sa anak ko.
Papadala mo lang.
Picture. Yung picture, hindi yung kotse.
Okay. Galing, ha? It's a Porsche. Anong year, pare? Anong year? Anong year tong Porsche? Well, they also don't know. It's a Boxster. It's a Boxster 718. All right. Ha? Oo nga, no? I wish I can afford. I wish I can afford a car.
I can only afford to look at it.
I can afford to look at it. Me also.
It's free.
Correct.
Can take a picture with you.
Ha? Oo nga, oo nga. Ganda. It's a Porsche. Wow. Dami namang collection ni aking classmates sa Bonito. All of these are his collections. Mahilig din siya mag-bike. Look at this, ha? Ganda.
Tinatira lang niya dito.
Ha? Ano?
Vespa.
Vespa. Oh, Vespa.
Ginagawa niya ng
Oh.
sidecar.
Ah, okay. Ginawang sidecar yung Vespa. Oo nga, Ang galing, Galing,
Dito na raw,
I see.
mga latero na yung
Oh, sikat na itong Vespa, oh. Pwede palang lagyan ng sidecar. Wow. I can only look at them. Ayun, may nagpa-andar na, oh. Classmate. Ako, I can only look at them. I can only look at them. I can only look at them. Bobby, eto he can afford to buy eh.
Huh?
You can afford to buy.
That's for my boys.
Ha?
For the wisdom boys.
Are, I think we're in the wrong. Dapat dun tayo sa DPWH. Hindi, ako naman pare, I don't miss it eh. Sa akin, tignan ko okay na. Diba? Na-appreciate ko naman eh. Diba pare?
Ganda, pare.
Ha? Galing, ano?
Ito, wala pang plaka.
Oo.
Bagong dating.
Pinakamahal daw ito eh, 45 million.
Oh, this one is
That's a 45 million.
that's a Ferrari.
Yeah.
Oh, this is close to it.
Oh, yeah.
That
Yeah.
one, pare, fully delivered.
Newly delivered yan, yung nasa kanan. Ang gusto ko malaman, 45 million. Anong year kaya to?
FSF is around
Ha? 2022 yan, pare?
probably around that.
Oh, okay. 2022, ha?
Ganda,
Galing.
no?
Oo.
Pare, sold na kay Rory Baron.
No, actually, sa totoo lang, my son-in-law used to be the distributor of this car.
Ferrari?
Yeah. Sung family. Sung family. They used to sell this. Ayan, pumorma na si Gas, oh. Ha? Hanggang picture na lang ba?
Namimili ka ng pinaka...
Hanggang picture na lang si Gas? Eto, si Doktor. Doktor.
Yes.
Ano favorite car mo? Vlog to, pare.
Vlog na.
Oh, ano favorite car mo?
Mas this Ferrari.
45 million daw yan.
Oo nga, ito the most
Oo.
expensive one.
Oo.
This one.
Pare, Doktor can afford to buy.
Only contractors.
Ha?
Only contractors.
Only contractors. So mali pala tayong profession. Mali ang profession natin. Okay. 45 million daw yan. Ayan, mga contemporaries namin, nagpipicture-picture na lang. Oh. Ayan, binuksan na yung pintuan.
So we are in Vegan for 3 nights, but some are leaving actually after just 2 nights. So we really enjoyed, and thank you so much to our host. That's Bonito Singson, former mayor of Vegan. And after this, we're going to have picture taking, but we will need to have to call all of them for the photo ops, and it will be gathered by our friend Jay Cruz. Let's go, Jay. All right, this time we're going to have a group photo with all the Athenians, with Jay Cruz handling our affairs here. And if he says, let's have a picture, we will just follow. Let's go on and obey our leader, Jay Cruz. These are my contemporaries in Ateneo de Manila High School, Wisdom 75.
Ito. Oo. Wala pa si Bonito. Dapat sinama ko asawa ko dahil gaganda ng mga asawa nyo. Oh, mga beauty queens, mga asawa nyo.
Nasaan kasi yung wife mo?
Eh, sinabi kasi ni Rapi, hindi kasama asawa niya. Oh, ganun eh. Ayan, oh. 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 Ayan, oh. Wala pa si Bonito, oh. Oh. Yan, ang gagandang lalaki talaga ng mga wisdom, oh. Ateneo. Ateneo, wisdom. Oh. Oh. Yan. Hindi ka naman. Hindi ka naman humingit eh. Kasi katabi mo pa naman si aking kaibigan eh. Hindi ka naman. Oh, si Bonito wala pa. Oh. Oh. I-search nyo sa YouTube yung Rolly Baron, ha. Oo, lahat ng ginawa natin nandun lahat. Search nyo sa YouTube. Oh. Oh, yan. Oh, laki. Yan. Yan si Tony Antonio. Yan ang gumagawa ng mga itinerary. Oh. Ha?
Pagdating ng flash sa inyo.
Oh. Wala pa. Buti wala pa si Bonito. Kaya mas matagal-tagal yung vlog ko. Ayan, Boy Sibog, Rapid Di Malanta, Charlie, oh. Wow. Puros mga magagandang lalaki. Sino kaya pinakamaraming puting buhok?
Wala akong buti.
Hindi, walang buhok to eh.
Dito, dami.
Walang, yeah, sa baba. Oh.
Dami.
Hindi, makita ko sa video sino pinakamaraming puting buhok. Ayun, nakita ko na. Ayan, para ito. Ayan na si Bonito. Okay. Ayan, papatayin ko na to. Nandiyan na si Bonito eh. Yay! Oh. Okay. Papasalamatan ko muna sa vlog ko si Bonito, ha. Maraming salamat, Bonito. Maraming salamat. Okay. O, sasama na ako. Maraming salamat, Bonito Singson.